Today I have some very simple Christmas decor DIYs featuring the big guy Santa Claus. The first project, I'm using one of these red bottles from Dollar Tree and the IOD Transfers Candy Cane Cottage. I'm going to be using this jolly old elf right here. So I'm going to make sure that that bottle is clean and dry, and I'm going to apply my transfer using the transfer tool. You really cannot get any easier than this project. He is so cute that this bottle doesn't need anything else. As the bottle is tapered at the top, I did go in and make some cuts with my scissors so that I could adhere that transfer down a little more easily. Now, how cute is this? I simply love it. He would be really cute on a green bottle as well. For project number 2, I'm using this Dollar Tree picture frame, this vintage Coca-Cola ad that I got at a thrift store for $1. This is also a very simple Christmas decor DIY. All I had to do was center the picture and frame it, but I did put it on a piece of black poster board because the picture didn't fill up that whole photo mat. So I just centered it in the middle of the mat and added the black poster board, and that's all there is to it. For project number 3, I'm using one of these pieces that I got on clearance at Hobby Lobby. I'm also using another one of IOD's rub-on transfers and this mold that is from the Christmas tree mold from IOD. I started by painting the inside of the frame black. I'm using Waverly Black Ink chalk paint. Now I'm painting the mold with Fusion paint. I believe it's in Evergreen. Once the black paint had dried, I'm going to adhere that transfer with my transfer tool. This stamp is one that I got from Tuesday Morning, and I'm just using some Waverly White chalk paint and using my sponge brush to dab it on. Once I have it lightly applied but fully covered, I go ahead and I place that stamp down onto the picture. I'm also using another stamp that I got in that same pack from Tuesday Morning. I'm going to be using some hot glue to adhere the greenery to the top left corner, and this project is done. For the last project, I'm going to be using the back side of a project that I did earlier this year. This is one of the Dollar Tree cutting boards, and this is what I did to it first. Now I'm going to turn it over and paint the entire back side black. Now again, using IOD's Candy Cane Cottage, I'm using the large Santa Claus. He is so pretty, and I'm going to put him onto the cutting board. I did use my finger sander and sanded over the entire image just a little bit, just to make it look a little older and a little bit less like it's sitting right on top. I did follow this up with a coat of Big Top by DIY. This is a beautiful piece that I'm sure I will use for years to come. And you can't have Santa Claus without Rudolph. I'm going to use this milk jug sign from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to remove the hanger and the bow. I'm also going to soak the paper off, and then I'm going to give it a coat of Fusion paint. I forget what this color was, but it's a brown paint, and we are using this sign upside down. This reindeer needs a red nose, so we're going to paint it with Highlander in Fusion paint, and this is just a wood round from Hobby Lobby. For his eyes, I'm going to be using 2 of these wood Easter eggs from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint the bottom part of them white, and then I'll add some black. Now I'm going to dry fit everything and see how it looks on our upside down milk jug. This is a little piece of a tumbling tower block that I'm going to use so that I can raise that nose up just a little bit. And I'm also going to reuse the bow that was on the can to begin with. And now we can glue everything in place. Using a black and a white paint pen, I'm going to give him a little bit of personality. Every reindeer needs antlers, so why not use these picks from Dollar Tree that have jingle bells on them. Drilled some holes at what is the top of our reindeer, and now I'm going to add the antlers to the back with hot glue. I think he is such a cute little fella. Hope you've enjoyed these Christmas decor DIYs today. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to share the chic. Bye now.